Today we're gonna make an origami jumping frog. This is what you need to make an origami frog. A piece of paper, scissors, and you can have a marker, pencil, or pen. So if you have origami paper, skip this first step because I'm making my paper a square. Fold it in make a triangle, crease it hard, and then cut out a rectangle. If you have some more pieces here, you can cut it. Now this is a square. Now fold it in half. Make sure the edges touch each other. Crease it, and then make a triangle. And then unfold it and make another triangle. And then you might see these. You'll see an X. So you squish the sides of the X. And then crease it. Now we're gonna make the legs. So you fold it like that, just like that, and do the same on the other side. Now take this and flip it this side, and then fold this to the middle and flip this to that side and fold this to the middle. Now you can open the legs and then fold this in half. Might get harder because there's a lot of paper to crease. And then make a triangle. It's like folding an aeroplane. And then make it towards the ceiling. Open it up like that. And then there's the bow. Now fold it down, and then we're making the back legs. And now fold this right here, and then there's some space there. Then fold it in half, or you can have a centimeter going outside, like just like that. Then the frog jumps. Now the frog is ready. Look at all the directions. we're gonna make the eyes. And now the frog is ready to jump. If you make a small one, it jumps a lot further than the big ones. Now the frog is looking down, and this is the lake and this is the mountain. Now it's gonna jump in the lake, and it swims. You can color it any way you want, like blue, red, orange, yellow, green, and more. Thank you for watching, viewers. Please support and subscribe my channel.